Excuse me, there's no running in the library. Wow, he looks really excited. I wonder where he's going. Oh, there's the early literacy station. I think he wanted to get there before anyone else did. The Norwalk Library only has 2. We really could use another one. Early childhood learning for families of all sizes and backgrounds extends beyond the classroom. School readiness, homework help, family engagement, and skill building are all important parts of early childhood development that occur outside the formal school environment. The development of literacy skills at an early age will set a child up for success later in their academic and professional careers. AWE Learning is committed to supporting these programs and organizations by providing the premier digital learning and early literacy solutions available in the United States and Canada. AWE Learning Solutions are the perfect resource for any organization that is dedicated to early childhood learning and development.